Hi children, this is the maths activity for Tuesday the 9th of June. Again, we're starting off with mental maths with a bit of test 14, time yourself. See how quickly you can answer these 10 questions and check your answers at the end of the pack. Okay, we're going to be adding some up to 3-digit numbers. So if you can use your mental skills, if you look at the numbers very carefully, so if you look at number 1, 154 plus 326 plus 53, if you can't do it in your head, write them out in columns, but you should be able to use your mental skills. So if you count the units first, so 4 plus 6 plus 3, what does that add? Anything to carry over into the tens column. So see how well you can get through that. You've got some more there. Look carefully at the numbers, really focus on the numbers and see how well you can get to the answers. Answers at the back of the pack. The main maths, we're going to use compact column subtraction. So we're going to compare the expanded version and the compact methods. Which one do you prefer? Which ones are you really successful in? Okay, make adjustments to borrow and exchange and compact method column subtraction, and check with the inverse. If you're doing subtraction, the inverse to check if the answer is right is do the addition with the answer and the lower number to make the higher number. Okay, so here is we've got some good web links as well using 4-digit numbers. So if you can tune into these 2 channels on YouTube, they will really help you go through some of the examples. So here we got the expanded version of column subtraction, breaking up 652 and 327 into its hundreds, tens and units. And underneath we show the compact version. Okay. Here again, if you look at the numbers 725, 484, the main idea is to look at the units and to see which ones need exchanging. So do the ones need exchanging? We've got 5 and 4. No. 2 and 8 in the tens. Yes, because 2 is lower than 8. And in the hundreds, 700 and 400, no exchange there. And underneath, you see that the tens need to be borrowed from the hundreds to make 2 into 12, or 120, and so forth. So here we've got the practice sheet mild. So set out the questions in the same way. You can do the expanded column version, or if you're really confident doing the compact, then try those out and make sure that you've got some success. So you can do 2 methods just to see that you are getting them right, and then you've got a challenge. Then you've got a hot sheet doing column subtraction, really getting to grips with subtraction. And then if you're a bit stuck, we've got the use of the coins to partition numbers. So 64 and take away 28, 6 tens, 4 ones, and that's what we got. So there's some ideas. In this one, target subtraction. I'm going to focus on the actual digits. So for each one, how many exchanges did you make between columns? So if you really look closely, if you look at 584 take away 256, if you really look at them, that's 4 units take away 6 units. So we need to do something with that 4. So that needs to be, we need to get something from the tens, 110 from there to make that 4 into a 14, and then we can do that sum. 14 take away 6. So now the 8 will become 7 tens instead of 80. So 70 take with 50, we can do that. And then 500 take with 200, we can do that. So there's only one exchange needed in the tens. That one. So we can get going through that. And then if you've got spare time, do some maths extension, which will be pushing you on section C. We're looking at 5 digits and 4 digits numbers, and in B we've got 4-digit numbers. So, you know, pick and choose which ones you are comfortable with. Take care. Bye.